Hi there. So let me tell you about Kids Cook Club, which is an exciting new online cooking club for kids and mum and dad too. So I'm Nicole, and my award-winning classes and recipes are designed for real families. I've taught thousands of kids to cook from scratch, to enjoy the process, to try new foods, grow in confidence and have loads of fun. Based in London, I run the multi-award-winning cooking school, The Kids Kitchen, which I set up because my son was a fussy eater. And since lockdown, I've been running free online classes, and we've grown to a huge community of over 10,000 with cooks as far afield as Sri Lanka, Australia, and America. It's been amazing watching you all grow in confidence and get passionate about cooking. And so, by popular request, I'm now offering a monthly online cooking club so we can continue cooking together on a regular basis. So, what's it all about? Well, if you want to get cooking together as a family, if you want to make cooking fun for your kids, if you want to learn to cook homemade meals from scratch, if you want to learn healthy recipes that the whole family will enjoy, then this club is absolutely right for you. So what's involved? Well, when you sign up, each month you're going to get fun, live, weekly lessons in a private Facebook group. You'll get replays of all the classes so you can watch them again and again at a time to suit you. You'll get clear, simple recipe handouts with substitute options. You'll get feedback for your chefs on their creations in the Facebook group. And you'll get a monthly video newsletter with fun facts, tips and activities, and my monthly cuppa and chat sessions so you can ask me any questions and you can always ask anything in the group at any time. You know, I'm a mum too, so how I teach and what I cook is based on the reality of a home kitchen with an eye to what kids will eat and how much mess they'll make. So if you're concerned that your kids are fussy eaters, don't worry. I had my own fussy eater. I've worked with thousands of them over the years. Cooking really helps because it's a sensory experience with no pressure to try what they make, and they may well surprise you. And familiarity is key, so do encourage them to make everything or use some of my substitute suggestions. And remember, they follow your lead, so set a good example around trying new foods. If you're worried you've got too many commitments, I understand that too. We all have lots of things to do after school and at the weekend, but the recipes and videos are uploaded to the Facebook group so you can watch anytime if you can't make the live sessions. And your kids won't miss out on any interaction because they can still comment and ask questions while they cook, and they can share their photos in the group for me to comment. And if you're worried about cooking with your kids, that's perfectly normal too. I teach kids from age 2 upwards, and I'm there with you all the way, showing you and your kids how to be safe in the kitchen. All the kit I use is suitable for the kids, and if you sign up to the annual plan, you get access to my amazing online workshop From Kitchen Disaster to Kitchen Master, where I show you what kit you need, how you use it, and share tips and techniques for working safely and with minimal stress and mess with your kids. Over 10 years of teaching kids to cook, I've developed a range of recipes that are, in the nicest possible way, foolproof and most importantly, delicious. I've also developed tricks and tips to make cooking simpler, more fun, and to encourage your kids to try all new dishes, and I share all of those tips in my classes. I recommend what kit to use without wasting precious cupboard space or costing a fortune. So what's this cost? Well, it's £25 a month for your family, or $275 for the year, which gives you a free month and free access to my Kitchen Disaster to Kitchen Master session, which people have described as a massive confidence boost. If you've got any questions about the club, please get in touch. I've put the website to find out more below, and you can sign up there too. And I really hope you'll continue cooking with me as part of this wonderful online community, messing around in the kitchen, cooking up a storm together, and most importantly, having lots of fun. Thanks.